Everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the front and the back windshield wipers of the Fiat 500. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'll be back. Winter is coming and it is very important for you to change your windshield wiper when they start to show a sign of wearing off. The problem with the worn off windshield wipers, they will create a hazardous driving condition. My wife told me that it is really hard for her to see it in the rain because the windshield wiper, they don't really clean the rainwater from the windshield, and in the winter time it gets worse. Okay, the salt, the sludge, the ice, and it's gonna create really dangerous driving condition because the old windshield wipers won't be able to clean it up and remove it from the windshield. As you notice, the driver side windshield wipers are longer than the passenger side of the windshield wipers. The driver side is the 24-inch, and I bought the MOTIUM, a high quality windshield wipers. They're a lot better than whatever the dealer gave us when we bought the car. And the back one is 12-inch. Okay, the driver side is 24-inch, and the passenger side is the 14-inch, and the rear windshield wiper is 12-inch. So to remove it is really easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside for now. Oh, this one is a little bit different windshield wiper, but there is a tab here. Come here. See that in the bottom? You just have to press that. Here, Brian, show them. There is a tab in the bottom. You have to press it and then slide the windshield wiper off. There you go. Voila. Towel like that, so it will not hit the windshield and break it. So anyway, yeah, accident happened, so get a towel and be safe like that. So see that the towel will absorb the impact, so now you can work on it. This is just to minimize the risk of cracking your windshield because the replacement of the windshield is not cheap. And then let's get the 14-inch one. There you go. Do you see that? It looks so much nicer. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Yeah, be really careful. Do not underestimate this job. Look at that thing. It's a really cheap plastic that doesn't really do compared to, look, it's high quality plastic. This is why when it comes to putting a new windshield wiper, you want to make sure you get a high quality one. So this one you have to remove it like that. See that? Yeah, this one is, I don't like this one is really thick and sturdy compared to the whatever the dealer gave us. So anyway, with this one you want to press this button here and release that, and then you want to slide it like that and then bring it up and then slide. There you go, and then
lock it.
And you're done. And put it carefully. Look at that, so much nicer compared to this one. This one is really nice. I really like the rubber of the MOTIUM. The thing about buying windshield wipers, you need to find a good quality one so it will really clean your windshield. So anyway, I'm gonna put this old one away, and I'm gonna put the towel here. Yeah, it's really easy to do this. Oops, it just flew onto my nose. Let's do the passenger side. If you live in Europe, the driver side is on this side, passenger side on that side, so it's like different. So again, you do it like that, and there is a button here. See that? Show them, right? You just have to press the button and slide it down. There you go. Now you can release it, and then make sure it lands on the soft towel. Yeah, if my wife didn't tell me that she had hard time seeing the road when it rains, probably I wouldn't change it. But she started to complain like, hey, I can't see it when it rains. So yeah, make sure you remove the protective cover like that. Otherwise this thing won't clean your windshield. So the same with this one, you click these two tabs and release it like that. Voila. Now you bring this one up. It's so funny how the arm of the passenger side is longer. So anyway, but the windshield wiper actually is smaller. See, you just slide it like that and then hold on to the back. Hold on, this is, there you go. Oop. Hold on, this one is a bit tricky. There you go, and then just slide it in, and then once it's slide, you just lock it. Voila, now you're done with the passenger side. So we're going back to the rear. With the rear one, you're probably wondering, how in the world am I supposed to change this? Look at this. Oh no, I can't remove this. Wow, no, that's right. But don't you worry, this thing is a lock. See that? Get your two fingers and then you open it up like that. See that? Open, close, open. Then you can bring it up. With this one, I'm not so, it's super easy. What you want to do, you want to do it like that. You push it this way. There you go. And then it will release itself. Did you see that? That part right there, and that it's like, yeah. Okay. Do you see this? This part, the higher part, always pointing toward the driver's side. Do you see that? So you cannot do it like this. This is, it will not go. So what you want to do is just do it like, okay, let's do it again. Unlock it, lift it, and then just, there you go, and then it will release itself. So we're gonna get, I like TRICO. I use this for my Porsche and for my BMW and also my VW. So yeah, I use TRICO a lot because it really cleans your windshield. This is like really high quality. Look at that. Whoa. It looks so much better. Do you see that? It's just the build of the rubber is different. So yeah, make sure you buy high quality what? A windshield wiper. Again, do you see this? Show them, Brennan. This side, the higher part, always pointing that way. So you want to do it like that. Insert it, and then you press it right here. There, it locked. See that? Release, engage. There you go. And then lock. Put it gently and then lock it. Anyway, that's how you change the front and the back windshield wiper of your Fiat 500. Anyway, it's very simple, very easy, and I'll put the correct windshield wipers in the description, so you can go ahead, click and buy it, and you know, the correct one for your Fiat 500. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much again for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friend if they are wondering on what to do when they're not sure how to change the windshield wipers. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.